Well, I haven't found it yet. I'm still digging over there, but now can you see the importance of everything I'm doing? Because chances are none of this stuff is getting hardly any water on this side as well as the front because of this water issue. Now, granted, nothing looks like it's dead yet, right? That's because we're just into summer, and you know, there's probably been enough moisture, the dew and stuff like that, for the first couple of months. But now that we're getting into the summer months, some of this stuff could die if I don't get water and this problem resolved. I tell you, I didn't think I could ever find it. Pulled out all the rocks. Here's some more of that cloth stuff. See, they even do it underneath these rocks. And I dug and dug and dug and dug. This thing, see how wobbly it is? Because I was digging way under it. And there's the pipe way under there. And it's just barely dripping. Can you see that? And it was pushed down right like that. Couldn't even find it. So of course, and that's on the front drippers. Okay, so that tells me all of this side yard is going slow so far. I may try that one right next to the house before it goes the other way. That one's probably going to be running slow too, and I'm going to have to push all this dirt back down there, but I'm gonna end up fixing that too. See, this is the type of stuff you get after 25 years. You're gonna buy a house, yeah, there's all kinds of maintenance stuff you can do around your house, and that's what my videos are all about. Okay, and so see, it's that dripper is underneath the cloth, so I'm gonna have to pull all of these rocks out of here, pull this back, maybe rip that or cut it in half or something, flop both sides, cut it down to where the main pipe is, and I'm thinking the main pipe probably stops right there, and everything from here that way is the back on the back drippers. Okay, so this thing's not getting any water, barely, just barely. This is barely getting. This is barely. This is barely. This is barely. You see what I mean? And you know, before I call it good, I'll dig all that out. And then I'll backfill that all up, and then I'll extend the dripper and run it up above the bricks, above the rocks, so I can see it, and so it'll be up kind of close to here. You know, I'll have it up in there somewhere, to where if I ever need to look at it or check it out or something like that, I'll see it. I'll see it. Right now, I can't see any of these, so I don't know. I don't know if they're plugged up. I don't know if they're running. I don't know if I should be able to extend them. I like to have things done right. Okay, this is not right. All right, so I'm going to leave that, but I'm going to backfill some of that dirt because this thing is real floppy now because I dug so much. Of course, just with my putty knife. Just with my stiff putty knife. Okay. And then I'll leave the rocks all open and stuff, and work some more. And I'm having an inkling that I'm going to find the issue underneath that pot over there where the yellow flowers are. Okay, right over there. That's where I think it is. That's where I think it is. Okay, I don't know that for sure until I dig that out. I'm crossing my fingers that I can find it. All right, one step at a time.